Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see by the looks of the box, it is that time of the month. I received my NAILBOXY box in the mail and I get to show you what products are inside, and I am excited as always. But before we get started, I do want to do something a little bit different. I want to give 3 special shout outs to 3 girls that I consider my nail buddies. They are always commenting on all my videos and always showing support and always showing love. There is a lot others that always show love too, but these are the first 3 that commented on my last video. So the first one is Dayanara Morales, second one is Carla H Elegance, and the third one is Cube Naturally Lovely Q. And I'm so sorry if I mispronounced any of the names. You guys are appreciated and I love you guys so much for showing the support that we all need all the time. All right, so let's go ahead and get started and open this box up. If you guys haven't seen my other NAILBOXY videos, I do have a subscription with them where I pay $29.99 a month to receive a box every month with 5 to 10 nail products. As far as I know right now, their box of July, which is this one, is sold out. And the products that are featured in this box are from DULCE Nails Sprinkles, and you can follow them on Instagram. And I will also leave their link to Instagram in the description box if you're interested. So we are opening the box now. And the first thing that's inside that I see is DULCE Nail Sprinkles business card, I guess you can say. And it looks like they are offering 20% off your $75 purchase with code NAILBOXY. So go ahead and check them out and get that order discount. And everything else is just their links to Facebook and Instagram, which you can see there. All right, so let's move on. So there is several products in here this month. And so the first one that I see is a gel polish, and it's in the color Gold Glitter. And well, you can see here, Gold Glitter. I am probably gonna be trying these out. I'll probably take out one of my practice nails so I can show you guys what it looks like. But that is the gel polish, which is the first one. Second product is another gel polish, and it's just the name NAILBOXY. And it's a pink color. So we're also gonna test this out to see how it applies and what the color actually looks like. Third product is No Wipe Top Coat, and it is a 15 ml bottle. I actually like their bottles. They're all black, and at the top you can see the color of the gel polish, so I like that. All right, and now we have a file. I'm not sure what grit file it is. Let me see if their website says anything. So it looks like it's 180 grit nail file. So you can use it to file acrylic or hard gel extensions. So there you go. We got a nail file. And now we have glue gel, and it's 15 grams. And it's sealed up, so we're not gonna open that right now. And so the glue gel is perfect for adhering crystals and rhinestones and charms, as well as encapsulating and adhering glitters. So that's a plus. So I'm excited to try this out. And it looks like we got a couple of nail forms. I don't usually do nail forms. I think I've only done nail forms twice. So I'm still trying to practice that, but it looks like there's 5 in here that we can test out. And if you like them, again, you can go follow them on Instagram and go to their website and place that order. All right, and the other products here that we have, it looks like it's 4 glitter containers. Let me open this up. So this one is called Tropic Like It's Hot, Hollow Palm Trees with neon purple and pink accents. The next one is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's called Konpeito Neon Color Mix. So it is a lot of neon little shapes like hexagons, looks like little stars and polka dots. So that's cute. And then the next one is, so this one is called Sunkissed Holo Gold Glitter with holographic accents. So this one's cute, very shiny. And then the last one, this mix is called NAILBOXY, a beautiful pink and gold mix. So this one's super cute. All right, so these are all the products, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these for you guys. All right, guys, so now what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and demo some of these products, and I have my press-on nails out that I usually use just for practice and my little display thing. All right, so first what I'm gonna try out is the pink gel polish, which is this one, and it's called NAILBOXY Pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out for you guys. So it's a very pretty pink, and I don't know why, but I had to sniff it. So let's go ahead and apply this on the nail. And the consistency, it's a good consistency. It's not super thick, but thick enough. The nails are clear, so you still can kind of see through it. So it looks like I might have to add a second coat. But let me go ahead and put this in the lamp. It does say that you can cure for 30 seconds in the LED or 2 minutes in the UV. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 2 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so it's all cured, and this is what it looks like. It is a little bit on the sheer side, so it does look like it might need another coat. But again, maybe because I'm using clear nails. So let's go ahead and just add another coat and see what it looks like. It's actually a very pretty pink. It's a very pretty color. All right, and we're gonna pop it in the lamp again for 2 minutes. All right, so this is what it looks like after 2 coats, and it's a very pretty pink, and I do love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with their no wipe top coat. Again, it is 15 ml, and no need to wipe tacky layer after curing, and you can cure this for 30 seconds in the LED or 2 minutes in the UV. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. All right, I probably grabbed a little bit too much, but it's okay. Just make sure you get the whole nail. Make sure you wipe down your sidewalls. And I'm gonna pop it in the lamp for 2 seconds. I'm sorry, not 2 seconds, 2 minutes. All right, so we are back, and yep, no tacky layers. So top coat is good to go. This NAILBOXY Pink is a beautiful pink. And so next we are gonna move on to the NAILBOXY Gold. So next one is this one, which is also a gel polish. And this one just reminds me of gold dust. I don't know if anybody remembers gold dust from, is it wrestling? Is that where I remember it from? Yeah, I think so. So a very pretty gold. We're just gonna try to cover the whole nail if we can. I'm only gonna use 1 coat of this one, since you guys can tell it's gold. So that's what that looks like, and we're gonna pop it in the lamp for 2 minutes. So we are back, and this is what the gold looks like. I'm pretty sure if I add another coat, it'll cover up the whole nail, but just for time's sake, I'm not gonna. But it's a very pretty gold. I actually like it. And next we are gonna move on to see what these glitters are all about. And I'm gonna be using this gel glue, so I'm gonna put it on the nail and just apply the glitter just so you guys can see the glitter. And this gel glue, or this glue gel, it is 15 grams. I did open it just to try it out. It says it's perfect for adhering crystals, rhinestones, and charms, as well as encapsulating and adhering glitters. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. So let me just take the top off. And it's very light, doesn't feel heavy at all. And to apply that, I'm just gonna take this brush that I got from Michael's. Nothing special. But let me move this nail because I need 4 since there's 4 glitters. And this display and the pressed on nails and the tacky, whatever this is, tacky adhesive, I did get them all from Amazon, and I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below just in case you're interested. All right, so I am back. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna dip my brush in here and just apply it on all the nails. So I can just glue on the glitter, or have the glitter stay on there so I can show you guys what the glitter looks like. All right, there we go. And looks like it's self-leveling too. Look at you guys. Oh, I like that. It's very clear, actually. If you guys can't tell, it's very clear. All right, so let's get this glitter. And I'm just gonna grab a napkin here so glitter won't be everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this little tray that also came in one of my NAILBOXY boxes so I can sprinkle the glitter and then I can put it back in there. Put all the extra back in there. Oh, so this is very pretty. All right, let me see. All right, so I'm gonna grab this nail. All right, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Oh, I like it. I like pink and gold together. I just want to make sure it gets all squeezed in together. All right, so that's what that one looks like. And I'm not gonna cap it or anything, so just want to show you guys really quick what it would look like. And that's very pretty. I love it. All right, so let me close this up. And this one is called NAILBOXY Pink and Gold Mix. The next one is the Sun-Kissed Holo. This is a gold glitter with holographic accents. Look at how shiny that is. And I love this this glue gel. It's keeping everything in its place. Look at how pretty oh my goodness, look at how shiny that is. Wow, that's so pretty. All right, and so this one is the Sun-Kissed Holo, the gold glitter mix with the holographic accents. Very pretty, very shiny. All right, the next one is the, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's Konpeito Neon Color Mix. Perfect for summer with those neon colors. And it has hexagons, little dots, and it looks like stars. I'm not too sure. So this too, very cute mix. Like I said, perfect for summer. Those bright neon colors. Does anyone have any plans for summer? I mean, I know things are starting to, well, at least here in California, things are starting to close back up again, I guess. So so I mean, we're not doing much. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any plans, where you guys are from. All right, so that's what that looks like. I mean, it's not the best, but I'm just showing you guys what they look like. But very cute. All right, last one is the Tropic Like It's Hot Holo palm trees with neon purple and pink accents. We'll grab our last nail here. Open this up. Ooh, these are big palm trees. So there's one palm tree. Let me see if I can get something else. Wow, looks like all the other stuff are at the bottom. Oh, these are cute little palm trees. Let me get some of these neon dots down here. Oops. Okay, well, I think that's enough for this one because these palm trees are humongous. They take up the whole nail. Trying to get some of these dots. So all the dots are like pretty much at the bottom. But yep, those are the palm trees. Super cute. All right, guys, so I went ahead and demonstrated all the products. I pretty much used all of them, except of course the nail forms and the file. But I did use everything else, and I have nothing bad to say about them. The top coat was awesome. It had no tacky layer, and it was very clear. The gel polishes, I liked the colors. The pink is so pretty, and the gold is right here, which is also very cute. And then I also did try out the glue gel, which is amazing, and it's self-leveled once I put it on the nail, and it's keeping everything in place. I haven't cured it, but I was just using it to show you the glitters, and the glitters are super cute. I love this one, which is the NAILBOXY, the pink and gold mix. I love gold and pink together. The neon ones, which is perfect for summer. The Konpeito neon color mix. This gold holographic accent one is super cute, super shiny, as you can see. And then this palm tree one with the neon accents, super cute as well. So yeah, that's all the products that are in the box of July. Like I said, they are sold out at this time. I don't know if they might add the box again later on. So these are all the products. I love them, and if you guys love them too and you want to check them out, go follow them on Instagram. Like I said, you can get 20% off your $75 purchase again with using code NAILBOXY. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.